What's up, guys? Just getting a late start to the day. I've just been maintenance my four-wheeler dirt bike. Yeah, but nothing much really going on. It's just like me up here, so it's not too exciting, but it's whatever. It's beautiful out though. It's like 70-ish, hottest day of the year so far. It's supposed to get up to in the 80s later, but I don't know. Yeah, so I just got back from the grocery store. Anyways, and I only wanted Reese's Puffs, and that was the only cereal they didn't have. I mean, come on, what are the chances of that with all the cereals? And I never even eat Reese's Puffs. It's just like, it was just like a craving, and it's like, oh, I can't even have it. That was pretty interesting. But yeah, I tightened my chain on my quad and I took it for a ride, and it stretched out again, so I gotta do that again. I don't really know. It's a new chain, so I think it's just getting used to it, or it still needs to get stretched out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna change the oil on the bike later. I hasn't done it since I got it. I never owned a bike before, so I'm still getting used to everything. I should probably check that air filter too. And I really need to oil that chain again. But yeah. So I just got done changing the oil on the bike. Not too bad for the first time. It's pretty easy, straightforward. 2 bolts, and that's about it. I'll start it up for you guys. So I just fixed up my small double section, and I think I'm gonna go try it out for a little bit. So I'll throw you on the helmet cam or the GoPro, even though you're already on here. Woo! What up? Hope you enjoyed that little ride. Yeah, can't get too crazy because I'm the only one up here, so if I crash, get hurt, I don't want to be just stranded out in the middle of the field. But that was the first time out this season, so that was pretty good. Pretty good. It's so nice out today. I think we're still in Super View. Yeah, we are in Super View. Oh! Yeah, but that looks cool. Oh. Well, let me shut this off and change it real quick. Also, it's probably really windy. But nice. I'm gonna figure out how to make a windscreen for this, even though it's got a lot of legs. I wonder if it would work. I don't know. Anyways, I don't know where we're gonna go in the skid steer. I'm ripping up this jump over here. I'm gonna remake it. It's just a couple years old, so I'm gonna shape it up. So, okay. Look who decided to show up! You've been hiding all weekend in the woods?
Yeah.
Yeah. Doing your witch rituals?
Yes.
Killing small puppies?
Yes.
No?
With my essential oils. I rub them all over myself.
It's...
Summon the demons.
Oh, sure. No one believes you.
That's okay.
Oh yeah, we're frog hunting.
They're probably gonna have sex in
Okay,
the
we'll meet
bucket.
you. What?
So they're probably gonna mate in the bucket.
Okay. You ready? Ready for this? They're taunting us.
Taunt you.
Oh, they're already running away. They're already running away. Oh, there's one. See him? See him right there?
Wait.
Get him. Oh, did you get him? Quick, he's gonna hop out. He's gonna hop out. Oh, there he is.
Help me. Oh, you got like tons.
Oh, I got two.
Do they have legs? Oh yeah, they do.
The big frog. Can she get it? Just go fast. Go fast. Oh, yes! Wait, careful, he's gonna jump out. He's gonna jump out. Look at how big he
Holy
is.
crap!
Look at how big he is.
You were
Oh, no.
Ah!
No.
Ah!
He's right there.
Look at him!
Catch him again. Catch him again. Look at him. He's dumb.
You are old.
Oh my god. Stop.
Bad idea.
Why do you keep letting him out? Put him in the bucket.
I don't know.
Because you want to hold him, that's why.
Yes.
You're gonna... You're gonna... Way to go. Oh.
We have sex. Totally freaking this guy out because I have a camera.
I know, I was like standing there and I was like, I really want chocolate. I almost got all the bugs off.
Yeah.
The world is ending. The world is ending. I'm gonna slow down. The world is ending.
It is, slowly.
Oh! Isn't it always ending? They really think about it. Gotta get there before
It's not that bad yet.
Gotta get there before.
There's no hail.
No. Not yet. See, we gotta make it look like it's raining harder than it actually is.
Oh my god!
No, you gotta turn around.
Tornado!
Look how hard it's raining.
Ah!
Came off.
I know, I feel like you could just like make up so much stuff. Oh my gosh, there's a rhino on the road.
That's what we should do. We should this vlog. Just completely make up an
Just
entire...
complete bullshit?
Yeah, like the whole
How does that
time.
sound? Does that sound entertaining or no?
It kind of sounds really funny. Like just like some vlogs are serious and then others are just totally blown out of perspective.
We're here in the Amazon.
Quick! Open the cave. Open it.
Okay.
It's your job.
I know it's my job.
Fireballs are falling from the sky. We're burning. We're burning.
What am I supposed to do again?
Okay, I gotta turn this off. Pull in.
Oh.
See? We're walking into death. Look at that over there. I'm definitely gonna be the one who gets struck by lightning. We're going in the creepy Freddy Jason barn. It's gonna be the Freddy Jason barn. So windy.
Is it really windy?
There's the front of it.
It's huge.
We're gonna die.
It looked much smaller from far away, but
Dude, it's about to downpour behind this.
Yeah, it's about to get real wet.
This is like amazing right This is like amazing right now. I don't know how
I
well.
really hope that this camera footage does this justice because this is.
Like just
You
that
can
cloud
hear
line.
that wind in there. Do you see that forming? Do you see that? That cloud in there?
Yeah. Dude, I don't know.
Twisting. Look at it.
Yo, I don't want to get this too wet. This camera. Holy storm!
Oh.
Hunker down.
Do you just want to run back inside?
Oh God.
You just want to go? We can sit in the garage. No, we can sit in the garage.
Garage?
Let's just leave these here. And then.
Running, that's the best part.
Wait, I got my wallet.
Okay.
Ready to go. Wait, I gotta close this. Hold on, I gotta close this. It's coming! Oh my god! We're gonna die! Get to safety! Oh my goodness!
It's so beautiful. Double rainbow across the sky. This is Wisconsin.
Oh, here it comes.
Dun dun. Oh! You should see your face right now. It's like you're like.
Okay. Oh, is that open? Is it really? How did that open? I made sure it was closed. Is it like really wet or is it just a little bit? Hold on. Here, we gotta fix this.
Get a towel. I really wanna. Oh God. That's so cool. Christ.
That okay, this is kind of scary actually. Look at our antenna.
All the frogs are being swept away.
Look at our antenna. This is pretty intense, isn't it? Here, let's go listen to the. If it's so It's just because it's a tin roof. You know what I mean? Okay, we're gonna have a game. It's called Under the Pond and Back.
No.